Just as humans have a life cycle from baby to child to adult to senior, so does our application. The software development life cycle identifies the phases in the life of a program. The exact steps may vary, but basically it looks like this. We start with the definition of the problem. If we are building an application to someone else's specification, this is where we collect the requirements. What must the application do? We then move into analysis. This is where we break the overall application into a set of tasks, then break each task into a set of instructions. This may be done in textual form or in pseudocode. The design phase often involves a visual design. What should the program look like? An architectural design. Where should the code reside? And a database design. What data do we need to store? Then comes coding, compiling, and debugging. Debugging is the process of trying out the code, finding what doesn't work, and fixing it. Testing is next. Testing is often a formal process of ensuring the code meets its original requirements and runs properly. Deployment involves moving the code to the appropriate servers or app store for the user to install or download. And last is maintenance. This often involves making continued improvements to the code over time. Often our projects are too large to code all of the features at once, so we instead pick a subset of features to define, design, code, test, and so on. Then the process is repeated for the next set of features. This is called an iterative approach because we iterate or repeat the process for each set of features. So, the software development lifecycle defines the general flow of an application from idea to production. It's often used in an iterative way with each subset of application features following the flow. To improve our productivity throughout this life cycle, we'll want some tools. Let's look at those next.